Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Family YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining us, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell on, and give us a thumbs up. It's really keep us going. Okay, so let's get started. Today I would like to explain to us how to perform the CREMA devnet. Okay, so in the world of crypto land, airdrop to be precise, there are some things you do. There are some airdrops that you do that earn you a lot. Example is you testing a beta net or a dev net or a test net of a token. Today we'll be dealing on a dev net for this particular token, this CREMA finance. Okay, so you should take note of everything I'll be talking about. Okay, you should take note of every single thing I'll be talking about. First thing to do is, don't worry if you don't have these details. Check the description channel box. I will be dropping all the details there. I'll be dropping all the links you ever need there. Give me a second, please. I'll be dropping everything you need there. Number one thing to do is to click on this LOGIT blah blah the testnet guard. So I won't be using my main account because I've tried that. I'll be using my second account. I already use Kiwi, I already use Chrome. I'll be using Brave. Yeah, I'll be using Brave. For my Brave, was asked to. I'll paste that link there. So coming, yeah. So dear friends, CREMA Finance is going to launch its beta version soon. Before the mainnet launch, it will firstly enter the Solana devnet testing phase to ensure the accuracy of the overall mechanism and the security of all smart contracts. So you can access our beta site via. We don't need this, okay? We need it, but not now. Just forget it. The current devnet beta mainnet supports two major functions, which is the pull and the swap. Okay, this is the first task to do. Switch your Solana wallet to devnet. So how do we do that? They explain to us how to perform the devnet, but trust me, if you try to read this, it can be really frustrating and confusing. But instead, I can just show you all you need to do. Come to your Solana wallet. This is your main page. Click on this place, these three lines I'm pointing at right there. Click on it and you see devnet here. So you click on the devnet Solana. Okay, as you can see, I'm having 0.00 sol here, as you can see. So all you have to do is come back to that main page. All they are explaining here is how to change your account to devnet. Can you see? That's what they are explaining. Next thing to do is to click on claim sol faucet as your gas fee or blah blah. So how do you do that? All you need to do is come back to your main or come back to your Solana devnet. Click on your receive, copy your address. I see I've copied my address. Click on close here. Then you come back to that your the guard that I'll be dropping on the description box below, and you click on this link, this solfaucet.com. You click on it and you paste the address there. You have to option the testnet and the devnet. We are dealing on devnet, so you click on devnet. Can you see successful airdrop? Well, I will click on one more time to get to sorry. Yeah, an error fund submitted error but received no transaction ID. You can just refresh. Actually, you don't need that. You don't need up to two transactions. You only need one. I like to see that too in my account. So after refreshing, I'm good to go. I'll cancel something and it will get back here. If I come back to my sol address, can you see I'm having two sol? Remember, you can't touch this sol. It's not a mainnet token. It's a devnet or a testnet or a beta. I don't know. So it's just a devnet account. You can't transfer it. You can't withdraw it. You can only test it. Okay, anything here doesn't have the real actual value in real life. You understand? It's just like a virtual something. So I have my two sol here. So I'll come back to my test guard and read through. All they are explaining here is how to get the address. So I don't need that. I will come back here and I will click on receive taucet token. Can you see here? Next. I click on next, and from here you see receive test faucet airdrop for your voting. So what do I need to do? Number one thing, you need to take note of this. You need to take note of this. They said currently there are, okay, let's start from the beginning. After you have enough Sol gas in your wallet, which we have already, you can apply for the airdrop of test token from us. Please submit your Solana wallet address via the following form. Our developers will airdrop you the token in 24 hours. Take note of this, 24 hours, right? Trust me, they won't airdrop you in 24 hours. You can try it out. I've submitted my form for the past 48 hours on one of my accounts and they didn't airdrop me, but there was something I did earlier today and they airdrop me within few hours, like about 3 to 4 hours. They airdrop me. I will show you what you need to do, but first click on this form. Okay, I'll click on the form. I'll open it. No, sorry, I'll open it with my, I'll just click on the form link, open in a new tab. Yeah, so I will go to the form. What do I need to do? I only need to submit my address, my Sol address. I'll just click on my address and submit it. So with this form, I ought to be airdrop those tokens within 24 hours. Okay, let's continue. Next thing to do is to mint this token. Number one is to mint C-Sol, second one is CUSDC, and the third one is CUSDT. Okay, so I will copy the address and mint them. Remember, everything you are doing here is free. Everything is free. So I already copied the stuff here. You are minting on your devnet, not mainnet, on your devnet, which I am right now. So you click on this plus sign to mint. The first one is, which is this, is C-Sol, CSOL. The CSOL I'll mint. The second one, you mint the second one, which is CUSDC, if I'm not wrong. CUSDC, yeah, USDC. And the last one is CUSDT. Yeah, you click on add. Yeah, this add here, this add. So sorry, this. Okay, so now I've minted these tokens, right? I've minted them. So what do I need to do? I'll come back to the test guide and read through. So after minting, it said the above test file sets are only for testing purpose and do not have actual values. They may not reflect the actual price of Sol, USDC, and USDT in the real market. Yeah, sometimes the token you receive in your wallet will show as its mint address or unknown token instead of its original blah blah. You don't need this, forget it, you don't need it. Okay, so they said after receiving the test token, you can start trying and testing our beta devnet. Okay, this is where this trick comes in. Listen very well, please. I have to wait for 24 hours to get this token, right? This is the third time I'll be doing this devnet. So let me show you guys what I have on my second devnet. I used Kiwi browser for the second one, which I've performed for over 24 hours. My Solet. I'm coming. I've performed the devnet on this token for over 24 hours now. Let's see if I have the token there. Can you see? I'm having 0.00 and I performed this thing for over 24 hours and they said maximum of 24 hours I should have my token there. What do I need to do? This is for my second account, right? What do I need to do? All you have to do is to copy your address. But wait, before I explain to us what we need to do, let's assume you have this devnet. Let's assume you have this token, which I have in my first account. I'm coming. Which I have in my first account. Let me try and show us my first account. Let's assume after you submitting that form and you waited for 24 hours and you've gotten the token, what else do you need to do? All you have to do is, let me change this to devnet. As you can see, I have one C-Sol, I have 20 USDT and 20 CUSDC. Can you see that? Can you see that, right? So what do I need to do? I'll come back to my devnet guard, and I'll copy this address. If this is the same browser you're using, you don't need to copy, okay? But since I'm not using the same browser, I will just copy, open a new tab, and paste it there, and paste that link that I just copied from the test guard. I'll paste it there. Allow it to load. You scroll down, you see connect here. You see connect, right? You see connect. So let's remember, if you have a Phantom or you have a Software account, you can use that your same phrase to access your Solid address. Okay, you can use your same seed phrase there. So as you can see, wallet connected. My balance here is 20 USDC and 20 CUSDT. So if you remember, while reading this test guard, they said they only have two things to do. Let me try and go back. Let me go back to the main page where they were talking about okay, can you see the current devnet beta mainnet supports two major functions, which is the pull and the swap. Okay, so what they are trying to say here is all you need to do here is to just swap from one token to from your USDT to USDC, and to swap from your USDT to USDC back. Okay, and to perform a pull. I will explain that too. What are they trying to do? If you join us in performing the main finance devnet testnet token earlier this month, you realize what we are trying to do is we are trying to test their swapping page, their swapping website. This token, this CREMA, is trying to launch a page where you can trade your token. You understand? Where you can trade the Solana token. So what they are trying to do is they want us to test it out and tell them if there is any problem with this thing, if there is any observation, any improvement, or you understand. That is what they are trying to let us do here. So first thing is, okay, I'm having 20 USDC, right? Let me just swap 10. My 10 USDC will give me 10.22 USDT. I will just say sorry, this is not adding liquidity. Come back here, excuse me, and you click on swap. Okay, I'm on swap now. So you click here and you type 10. Allow it to load. Sorry, my network is kind of slow. As you can see, after pressing 10 USDT to swap for 10 USDT, it has been connecting. So I'm clicking on this thing for like 10 seconds. If there is a place for me to comment, I can just tell them their swap section is kind of slow, and I think they need to fix it. That is one of the reasons why they are doing this devnet. So since they have another option for liquidity pool, I'll just click on this place. I can't wait on swapping alone. So you come to pool. As you can see, and let me say 10 USDC for 10 USDT. Can you see? Add liquidity. So I'll add liquidity. As you can see, you scroll down, you see add liquidity rather. Making transaction. Add liquidity. You come to your can you see what I'm doing? After clicking on this thing, it will wait for me to confirm it on my transaction. So you click on your Solid tab. If this is now yours, bring it, you can click on this place and you see the new tab there. Okay, but since mine has opened, it's a two-in-one stuff, so you just come here and click on approve. After clicking on approve, automatically it will bring you back here. Can you see add liquidity field, right? So I can try again. Add liquidity, add. It will ask me to confirm again. If you come here, you should see it. You should see it here. Yeah, you click on approve. Transaction has been sent. Confirmation is in progress. Add liquidity for 10 blah blah failed again. Well, I can just refresh it. Refresh, connect wallet again. Select. Connect. Yeah. Liquidity, then 10. Add liquidity. Add. Yeah, add. Come back here to confirm. Approve. Add liquidity blah blah from failed again. I don't know. Let me press on max first. Probably it will add this time around. Approve. Still saying failed. Okay, I can just since we are asked to test, let me try again with one. Probably one will go. I'll click on add liquidity. Come back to my soul to confirm. Approve. Okay, since it failed, I'll screenshot it. Yeah. Do you know why I screenshot it? This shows that I truly have performed the transaction, right? It shows that I've performed the transaction. It shows that I've tested their devnet. I'm coming. I'm trying to open the devnet again. Yeah. So that is all we have to do. Okay. But there is another thing you need to do after performing that. Yours might go through. All I have to do is I'll go to their Telegram, to their Twitter page, and complain about that. Check the description if you don't have the Telegram, their Discord link. You will find it there. I'm coming. I will click on accept to join their Discord. Okay, one more thing. I was talking about how to get the token very very fast, right? So what do you need to do? This is how I got mine. You scroll up and try to find the admin's name. How do I know who the admin is? Okay, let me try and check here. Okay, as I can see here, the moderator is CREMA, right? Okay, the moderator is CREMA. I will just say hello at CREMA. Yeah, this is a nice project. Actually, not actually. I have a complaint. Actually, I have a complaint about the testnet. No, not I have a complaint. This is a nice project. I have submitted the form to get the test net the devnet token, sorry, the devnet token for the past 48 hours, and stay then get the token to perform the testing. Kindly look into this. My soul address, and I'll paste my soul address. Oh, I don't have it here. Let me go back to this my browser and copy this over here. Receive, copy. Now copy my soul, and paste it. Hopefully, after doing this thing, you should get your soul within few hours. This was what I did. Trust me. Let me try and look for my charts. This was what I did. Okay, I know what to do. Let me just paste that address that I copied earlier, that I pasted earlier. As you can see, I filled the form for the past 3 days and still no test token. Could you please look into this? This was what I did, and this was when? This was around 11:58 this morning, and I already got the token around 4. Okay, I got the token. Let me try and see if I can. There should be a response to my chat. Okay, can you see? I dropped this message 11:58. Can you see here? And if you should scroll down, can you see? Okay, done. I sent it to you. Someone, in fact, it was not even the admin that sent it to me. It was this guy that helped me out. So he said, okay, the guy is an early bird. It's just like normal person like me. He said he has already sent he said he already sent the token to me. He sent that test token for me to test. Can you see? Another person said same here. Can you see? If you do this thing, someone that already has the token will help you out. We surely send you the token. So you've got nothing to worry about. Okay, someone will help you out. So that is how to get the test token. That is how to get it. So what else do you need to do after that? You come down to the announcement page. First thing to do on any Discord page is to come down to the announcement. After verifying yourself and having access to the account, you need to come down to the announcement page. Under the announcement page, you get to see everything about that token, everything about that project. Okay, let me try and scroll up. Coming. Introducing themselves here and telling you how to get the IDO and stuff like that. I'm here for the NFT. Sorry, for the devnet. Yeah. So can you see? Drop your retweet link and dev test screenshot in the devnet support and get early role in the CREMA community. Remember, I screenshot one thing there earlier, right? Remember, I screenshot it. First, before that, you need to check our test guard, which we've done. Okay, we've checked it. Then submit your address to get some token, which will be distributed within 24 hours, which I have gotten, and I've done that. Use the C token to test a beta version, blah blah blah. Then share your devnet test proof in devnet support. Complete steps above and you get blue in your Discord, which means if I complete those steps and I submit my screenshot there, I should get my early bird row. How many early bird? We're having 926, so they only have less than 80 spots for the early bird. So I have to be really quick with this. But they said something here. They said devnet screenshot in the blah blah. Okay, drop your retweet link. Okay, before that, as a Nigerian, you need to come on your VPN. I have this paid UFO VPN, and you just switch it on. Yeah, I'm good to go. So you come back to the Discord stuff and you click on, they said your Twitter retweets and the screenshot, right? You click on this devnet support. I don't have their Twitter, right? I don't have it. So you click on their devnet. Surely you find someone with that retweet link, which is this. So you click on that retweet link. That person's retweet link. Remember, the person's retweet link. You can do this for other projects too. If you don't have their retweet link, go to their Twitter, to their Discord page where they said retweets, where you are asked to drop your retweet link. Go there and click on anyone's retweet link. Just click on it and it will open like this. Can you see? This person's name is Muhammad Afnan Fatah, and he retweeted this CREMA stuff. So all you have to do is click on this page, this thing that I'm pointing at right there. You click on it. Can you see? Now I'm on their page. So you click on this, their CREMA Finance ID, and I'll follow. I'll go back, and I'm asked to retweet, right? They said, take note here. They said 1,000 rows before November 30th, and they're already on 926. So you need to be quick with this thing. You need to be quick. So I'll click on like, and I'll retweet, go to retweet. I don't really have much to say. Sorry about that. I don't really have much to say. I will just tag some persons which I've copied before. I will copy my retweet link. Now come back here to their Discord. We are asked to drop the screenshot and the retweet link. So I have my screenshot here, which is this, and I'll paste my retweet link alongside with it and send it. Allow it to load, please. Yeah, I'm good to go. As you can see, the crypto family, and I'm good to go. That's all I need to do. And if I'm lucky enough, I will be among the early birds. I'll be among the early birds. Okay, I think that's all you need to do, guys. That is all we need to do. Let me check if there is any other thing. Sorry, not here. I've literally explained everything about this devnet inside this video. If you are still having any problem, you can just rewatch this video, please. Just rewatch it. Everything is explained. Everything, and for these links, you'll be getting them on the description spot on this YouTube, on this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell on more amazing and educative videos on this way. Thank you so much.